guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this time we are back with another Zodiac video, and this time it's Leo's turn to shine. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about the sign as you guys watch me do my makeup base and everything. So Leo, the element is fire, the color are gold, yellow and orange, the date is Sunday, the ruler is sun, the greatest overall compatibility is Aquarius and Gemini. Lucky numbers are 1, 3, 10 and 19, and the date ranges from July the 23rd to August the 22nd. Their strengths are creative, passionate, generous, warm-hearted, cheerful and humorous. Their weaknesses are arrogant, stubborn, self-centered, lazy and inflexible. Leos like theatre, taking holidays, being admired, expensive things, bright colours, fun with friends, and they dislike being ignored, facing difficult reality, not being treated like a king or a queen. People born under the sign of Leo are natural born leaders. They are dramatic, creative, self-confident, dominant and extremely difficult to resist, able to achieve anything they want in any areas of life they commit to. There is a specific strength to a Leo and their king of the jungle status. Leo often has many friends, for they are generous and loyal, self-confident and attractive. This is a sun sign capable of uniting different groups of people and leading them as one towards a shared cause, and their healthy sense of humor makes collaboration with other people even easier. Leo belongs to the element of fire, just like Aries and Sagittarius. This makes them warm-hearted, in love with life, trying to laugh and have a good time, able to use their mind to solve even the most difficult problems. They will easily take initiative in resolving various of complicated situations. So that's all about the Leo sign. As you can see, they're very warm-hearted, very creative, very dominant. So that's why I thought I'd go with these colours basically. So as you can see, I've used the Fear Wild Animal palette from Revolution, just because I thought it would go really good with this look, as the colours are based around orange, golds and yellows. And as you can see, I used a red matte color to go on my crease line and to create this shape, and then I've actually gone with like a golden orange hues around the crease to blend it out, and it kind of gave me like a shimmer look, but which I really liked. And then I've gone back with this eyeshadow base from Revolution, and what I'm doing, I'm kind of like creating where I want the gold to go, but I don't want it to be like I want it to be a little bit like a cut crease, but like a messy cut crease. And then I've gone with this yellow gold shimmery shadow, and I'm using my fingers to put the shadow on just so that I can get the full maximum pigment from the shadow. And what I'm doing as well, I want to spread it out so that it looks a little bit messy and it doesn't look like a structured cut crease. And then I'm going in back with the same color, but I'm using a brush this time to put on my lower lash line and everything. Okay, so now I'm going in with a brighter gold, and what I'm doing, I'm putting this in my inner corner so that it can open up my eyes a little bit more and make my eyes look a bit brighter. And now what I'm doing, I'm getting the eyeshadow base and I'm putting it on this palette thing that covers the body paint. And what I actually did, I scraped some of the brown shadow from the animal palette and I've scraped it on top of the eye base and mixed it in so that I can create like an eyeliner, and so that I can do like a brown eyeliner and put the shadow back on top, as you can see here. And basically this is a great way to turn your shadows into like a face paint or shadow paint. So if you know there's a like, if you know you want to use some sort of paint and you don't have that color, if you mix like your eyeshadow base with it, this is a great way to do it. And as you can see, I'm going back in on top with the shadow and I'm just smoking it out a little bit. So now I'm going to be putting these eyelashes from the Minkway. These are the ebony eyelashes, as you can see. And also I'm going to be using this mascara from Revolution, and I'm going to be putting it on my bottom lashes, but I also actually put it on my top lashes before I put the eyelashes on. And now, as you can see, I've gone back into the Fierce Wild Animal palette, and what I'm doing, that same red shadow that I used on my crease, I'm using it as a contour. And what I'm doing, I'm putting it all over my cheekbones area, and also my forehead, just to structure where I want my contour to be and everything, and just going back in. And then I've gone back with that same orange golden hues that I use on my eyelids, and I'm putting that all over, blending it in with the red. And also this is actually quite a good color to use as a highlighter, because what this is creating is going to be like a nice base to when I put my highlighter, and it's going to make my highlighter pop a bit more. And then as you can see, I'm putting it all over my nose and my lips as well, just to give me that more orangey golden type of bronzed look on my face as well. And now I'm going back in with this eyebrow pencil from Benefit, called, I think it's called Brown Contour Pro. And what I'm doing, I'm using it to create freckles, because I felt like this look was missing something, so I decided to add freckles, as you can see. And then I just go back with a clean brush just to blend it in so it looks a little bit more natural. And now I'm going to go in with this Roxy palette, highlight and contour palette from Revolution, and I'm just using the golden highlighter from it, and I'm putting it on the tops where I normally highlight, as you can see. And because I went with that orange hues on top, it's kind of like made it pop a little bit more, and it's still like, I still got that orange hues coming through because I want my face to be warm, but you can see it's still coming through. And then I'm going to go in with this body paint, face and body paint from Amazon. And basically what I'm going to do with this is draw out the star sign on my forehead, but then also I'm going to be drawing out a flower around it. So what I tend to do, I draw out the star sign first with the paint, and then for the flowers and everything else, I go back in with that eyebrow pencil just to sketch out the flower and the leaves and everything where I want it to be. And then I go back in with the paint and just fill everything in, basically. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with this lip gloss from I Heart Revolution. This is in the shade Mocha. I love this lip gloss. It smells amazing, and as you can see, it looks gorgeous as well. And the thing is with this lip gloss, you can either wear it on its own, or you can put it as a topper on another lipstick or anything like that. So even if you use it on this on its own, you can, like, there's still color to it. It's not just sheer, so which I love. Like, I love all so far I've got the chocolate brownie, mocha, and another one from I Heart Revolution, and I'm in love with them. Oh yes. And then I'm just going to finish this makeup look by setting my face with the Cookies and Cream setting spray from I Heart Revolution, which smells, again, amazing. So if you haven't tried this setting spray out, make sure you do, because they all smell really nice. And that is pretty much the end of the look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you guys are notified every single time I post, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.